Hey guys, I know once again I'm still in my studio to present you the recipe of the week. Well, the recipe, again, I don't have time. I have to do landscaping, I have to do some painting. Well, what have you not? So guys, anyway, you're gonna see this week it's a nice recipe, traditional from Quebec, specifically from Quebec, from French-speaking Quebec. It's something that we did for generation and generation. I would say a few hundred years that we've been doing this recipe. Depending on the region you are in Quebec, there is some difference the way you do your beans. But for us, I think it's been almost the same way. Well, at least I'm doing it since 30 years. My fathers did those baked beans similar to what I do, and it's a special recipe that we do at this time of year, meaning in April, at the start of April or at the end of March, since it's the opening of the what we call cabane à sucre. It's a place where you can eat. It's a all-you-can-eat buffet, but it's all traditional recipe. It's ham, cooked ham with so maple syrup. Maple syrup is the main ingredient of all the recipe you have at the cabane à sucre, and it's something that is traditional to Quebec. I think there's in the northeast part of the U.S. it's a lot popular also. But like I said, it's something that we like to do, and especially when we have Easter, it's something that we do, like you're gonna see with the family on Easter. It's nice to do something with eggs and everything, so, and bacon. Don't forget the bacon. So guys, hope you enjoy, and like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next video. Take care guys. Ciao.